Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show only tiles in the Windows 10 Start menu. So if you open up the Start menu and you don't want to see any of the search menu results over here on the left, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead, since the Start menu is already open, we're going to go select the setting gear icon on the left side. When you hover over it, it says settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the personalization tile. Select start on the left side. And then where it says show app list in Start menu, go ahead and toggle that to the off position. And now if we were to open up the Start menu, there you go. You only see the tiles. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.